Hello all. In this case, I'm going to look at finding the equation of the given graph. There are similar ones that you can find in your tests or homework. Here we go. Let's start off with this one. The first question that comes to your mind would be, well, what are the x-intercepts? Well, you don't really need the x-intercepts to work this out. The two main things that you need to focus are the amplitude. Now in this case it is nicely done, so up to 7 from -3. Therefore 7 minus -3 on 2 gives me 5. So the functional form should be with 5 times cos or 5 times sine. In this case you can relate this to either of them. I'm going to pick cos in this case. I know the cos graph is starting from 1, or if it is 5, from 5. And of course you can see the period also, that is the next one you're going to look at. Period is pi. So what it means is normally it's 2 pi and come down to pi dividing by 2. What it means is I would have the functional form as a start 5 cos 2x. I need 2x, making sure my period is just pi. Now we done that one. Now we want to look at how well that fits with my given graph. In this case, of course, cos graph is starting at 5. And then goes down at pi on 4 and then go down to -5, and then comes back like that and then finish off at pi. Now you can see this is being flipped. What it means is you put a negative in the front, so y equals -5. That's a reflection through the x-axis. And then also because the minimum, which was -5, is now in fact -3. So what is the jump? So you have +2. What it means is +2 here. Therefore the equation is simply -5 cos 2x plus 2. The other way of using sine, I can use the sine here if I wanted. Then in that case I would write again as a start y equals 5 sine 2x again. So once I have that, what I'm going to do is my sine graph, now what I'm writing here is my sine graph is going up to 5 here and then down and then to -5 and then back here. Now you can see the given graph is now either translated some units to the left or to the right. What is easier? To the right. So you can see it has moved pi on 4 units to the right. Hence I can write down 5 sine big bracket 2x minus pi on 4, because it has moved pi on 4 units right to get this particular shape, and then it has pushed up by 2 units. In this case what we have is +2 at the end for that again, so simply +2. So this is the other way of writing, and these two graphs are exactly the same. Okay, ladies and gents, I think you understood how to obtain the rule for a given graph without even just taking the x-intercepts into consideration. Alrighty, I'll catch you again in the next video lesson. Bye for now. Thanks.